Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quentin and today we're going to just talk about a few mistakes that are made with cooling systems. This is a very common mistake that I find with a lot of people is when you do anything on your cooling system and you do it yourself, a lot of the times people just put water in and they just usually use tap water, which is usually the worst thing you can ever do. And I'll explain why. Corrosion, which is rust, makes holes in your cooling system all the time. It also blocks everything up, including your radiator. It damages your water pump. It damages everything inside your engine. It blocks everything and creates leaks. Just don't do it. Just go and spend the money, go and buy some antifreeze and put it in. The problem is once you've done that and you left it for a long period of time and your water's gone brown, that means it is already rusted inside your cooling system. So when you flush it out, you're going to have to flush it about 10-15 times to get all that out, because even though your water's coming out clear, there is still stuff in there and your radiator's still blocked and you still got a problem with your thermostat. So you've got to continue and then you've got to put antifreeze. But general rule of thumb, always use antifreeze. Also another thing, use the right amount of antifreeze. And when you buy antifreeze, make sure it is pre-mixed, then you don't have to add anything with it. Just buy a 5 litre antifreeze or 2 or 3 1 litre antifreeze, just enough to top up or fill your whole cooling system. Don't use water, don't use tap water, you can use distilled water, okay, and that's a point. Distilled water, not this drinking water that you go and buy like spring water. No, you want distilled water. Okay, there's an importance behind that. It can also cause rust. Okay, but general rule of thumb, just use antifreeze, nothing else. Doesn't matter what color, just use antifreeze. Very important. That'll prolong the life of your cooling system. It'll stop everything from getting damaged and corroded. And I can tell you right now, if you service your car every, say, 90,000, 120,000, you change your antifreeze and you put more antifreeze in, you replace your antifreeze on that service, just for example, I'm not saying it's done at that mileage, just an example, and you put antifreeze back in, put the same color antifreeze in. Very important. Don't mix your colors, because you'll end up with a whole different color. Like say if you get green antifreeze and now you're putting red antifreeze, you're going to end up with like a purple or dark color antifreeze and it's going to look terrible. So always put the same color antifreeze in. So just a bit of a tip for everybody, very important, just follow that stuff. So please like and subscribe to my channel. All the subscriptions are free. All the help is needed. Thank you.